Hey guys, today I want to show you this beautiful home located at 1644 Agatha Street, located in the Fallingbrook Pineview community here in Orleans. This beautiful home has 3 beds, 3 baths, a fully finished basement. It's been meticulously maintained with so many upgrades throughout the home. It's close to schools, parks, and highways. This is a beautiful place to raise a family. Follow me and let's check it out.
Let's go boom. Let's go boom.
Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed your tour. As you can see, the house has so much to offer. My name is Ali Mansour with Royal Apache Gym Realty on the Vertex team. Call us today to book a viewing.